Remember the couple that got married at the age of 16 years? See where they are today.
Hello and welcome to my channel. So these are my thoughts about celebrities and all trending hot gossip.
Siyacela and Thando got married at age of 16 years, and a lot of people have been asking questions if they're still doing good and how's their marriage, and the relationship and balance in school, all of that. There's just been a lot of questions. We've been eager, we wanting to know what's happening. Well, they're still together, and Siyacela dropped out of school, of high school, because he couldn't handle the pressure. So he said. Siyacela is 19 years of age right now, and Thando is 18 years. So Siyacela is also, you could see in the pictures, he's gained a lot of weight, probably because of the money. Maybe the mother left him, because his mother is no more. He passed on to the other side. May her soul rest in peace. So maybe, he didn't see the need to go to education for that matter, like a minimum requirement of grade 12. He doesn't see the importance of that. But anyway, that's his problem. That's just my thoughts why, he dropped out of school. I mean, like, bullying will forever be there, whether you got married or not. High school students are high school students. Will just always find a problem, but that shouldn't be a reason for you to leave school, because people talk. People are bullying you. People always talk. Even at work, people are still being bullied. Anyway, I diverse. So Siyacela wants a second wife. Like, Siyacela wants a second wife. At 19 years, he wants a second wife because he believes that Thando is too relaxed. She is back chatting to him. She does as she pleases. So that can't be the reason that you want to marry a second wife, just to spite someone, to respect you. I don't believe that's a valid enough reason for you to want to have a polygamous marriage. One, Siyacela is not working. Siyacela dropped out of high school. 3, his mother is no more, so he doesn't have any person to guide him, because I still believe that he's still in his teenagehood. He's 19 years old. He's still underage. So his father's health is at stake. He's in and out of hospital, and you can imagine his father's attention is all over. His father is married to 4 wives. His father has 4 wives. As we speak, his father has 4 wives, and in all of those wives they have children. So you can imagine nobody's guiding Siyacela in his choices of life. So Isencane Lengane, like, they're still young, but I like Thando's thought of process. She is determined to pass grade 12 despite all the odds. She wants to study. She still wants to go to work so that she can fund her studies. She's thinking straight. And she's taking no nonsense. She said that if Siyacela wants to have a girlfriend or wants to marry a second wife, she is gonna pack her bags and go back home. So I love Thando. I love Thando, but Siyacela, nah, no.